I want to show you how to turn ordinary product photos into luxury looking ads that grab attention using free AI tool right on your smartphone without studio. And stick around to the end because the final result might surprise you. So don't forget to hit subscribe button if you want to learn more AI tutorial like this. Welcome to Flora video guys. Now let's turn ordinary product photos into premium. So the first thing we do is to go to this app called Pinterest to see what's trending. We need some fresh ideas for our product pictures. So after going to Pinterest, click on the search button and search for product image for that particular product you want to sell, be it shoes, food, drink, boxes, panties, bag, anything. Is going to bring the product image or something close to that product of yours is going to bring the inspirations for you. So you can see the way I'm searching for different inspiration, like I'm grabbing vibe that is clean and aesthetics for my product. And that is the same thing you will also do to grab clean and aesthetics for your product or anything close to your product. After getting the inspiration, the next thing you want to do is to click on it, download it or screenshot it, anyone that work best, and take it to ChatGPT. Here I am on ChatGPT. I click on the plus button right here just to press on photo and upload the inspiration we got on Pinterest. So after uploading the inspiration I got, I'm going to write this prompt. I said, write this image prompt in details. Like that inspiration we got, I told ChatGPT to write the image prompt in details. I click on send and ChatGPT gave us the prompts in full details. So after giving us the prompt in full details, I input another prompt. Take note. I said now generate this prompt for Zobo. You can see what I uploaded is not Zobo, but it's kind of close. It's still like a drink. So I said generate this prompt for Zobo. Then ChatGPT already know what Zobo is made of, or that your product. If it doesn't know what it's made of, you can explain a little bit further, and it's going to give you a full prompt on how to generate that kind of idea for your own product. So after giving me this Zobo prompt, I click on copy. I just scroll down. After scrolling down, you are going to see this copy sign over here. I click on it and I copy the whole Zobo prompt. After copying the prompt, I took it to Gemini. This is Gemini app. So here on Gemini, I click on the plus button and click on photo just to upload the ordinary image we want to use. Okay, so I do not have a product, but I had to pick somebody's product online just to use it for this video. So after clicking on the normal image we want to use, which is the normal support image, I remember the prompts we copied on ChatGPT. I upload the prompt right here and I send it. I didn't add anything. You can see this is so simple. We are not adding anything, and this is our Zobo. Like, but I noticed the Zobo is kind of light and that one is deep. So you can always correct it. So the next thing I did is to like type something like this. I want the color of the Zobo to be like what is in the picture I uploaded, to be deep dark wine as seen in the image I uploaded. So after telling it to do that, let's see what we are having. This one is kind of light and our Zobo is not light, all right? So now, let's see. You can see we have a deep Zobo color now. Did you see from ordinary picture to this? Man, this is looking so beautiful and even more expensive. And if you think this is too shouty or the aesthetics is too much, AI also did this. At least this is even looking better than the main picture. So if you need it to be cool, you can reduce the whole thing but still make it look better. You have no excuse for posting normal pictures. And that is how I was able to create many more different products from ordinary picture to better pictures for your products. These slippers, I got this inspiration from Pinterest and I was able to create it from this ordinary image to this. You can see it's more presentable. From this ordinary, as if you're posting this, when you can use AI to make it look more expensive. And remember, you can always make corrections. AI is AI. So I said this image is kind of too dark for me. So I made the corrections and make it lighter. I prompt it to tell it the color I want. You can see I'm having a new image right here. You might not even have a product you are selling. You might be the one creating it for people that have product and get paid. And that is why you need to subscribe to my channel, because in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to animate it and look more beautiful. So thanks for watching up to this moment. Let me know your questions in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.